What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified when we drop these babies on an almost daily basis. I saw in the comments you guys asking about FIG. I did add a little to the position. It closed at 20.05 yesterday, and I kind of a new-ish rule I have with this one is that whenever it's around or below 20, I'm just going to steadily dollar cost average into it. I've had a lot of trouble with this one and Circle. I don't buy Circle every time there's a buying opportunity, and I do buy FIG every time it's not a buying opportunity. So there have been several instances of me not buying Circle and then it skyrocketing the next day or so, and then me buying FIG and it dropping for the next week or two. So I have just been consistently missing with these two stocks as much as I love to cover them. Circle is supposed to come down and fill this gap at 62.95, but God knows if it's going to do that. Clarity is supposed to happen on May 14th, which is Thursday. Things like the Clarity Act are normally sell the news events, which to me would be the catalyst for Circle to at least hit this gap fill at $100.01. Depending on how froggy everybody's feeling, it might even come down and tag 62.95. Who knows? But in the grand scheme of things, sub 100 is not a bad place to get in. So that's what I will be looking for on Circle. Now, FIG, it did drop. It still would need to confirm below here. It still needs another daily close above this candle to confirm a breakdown here, but it probably will because we've got a gap fill. So $18 is the level I'm looking for right now. If it bounces, if it basically wicks off this level, that would be a higher low and probably at the 786 fib level. So let's take a look here. Yeah, 1765. So it could wick through 18, tag 1765. Doesn't have to do that. You know, fibs are just kind of there for fun. Although it is a pretty effective indicator. So yeah, it could wick through 18. I want to see it maybe wick through and bounce up, and that would make me feel really good about FIG. And it would be a great buying opportunity. I think I'm going to set an order for 18, and I'm kind of going to fill out my position. And regardless of what happens after that, I'm just going to ride FIG indefinitely. So Circle, my dream buy on Circle is 62.95. My good enough buy on Circle is sub 100 or at or below 100. And for FIG, my ideal buy is a wick through of 18, and then on to more higher lows and higher highs. So guys, if you got value out of this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so you get notified when we drop these babies on an almost daily basis. Thanks for tuning in. YouTube thinks you'll like to see this video next, so I'll see you over there.